Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Welcome everyone to the new edition of EdTerra Talks. We, the students of DPS International School, will take you on this journey of the revelation of the mighty secrets of Amer Fort. I am Rudra Gaur with two other hosts of Vian Agarwal and Parth Singh. Now our guests Aryan Agrawal, Fatehveer Singh, Vinamra Agarwal, Virat Sharma, Aaron Bell, Bryce Edwards, Kabir Arora, Adit Khandelwal.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Do you know that the Amber Fort has a secret passage that you can escape from? Now, Vinamra and Viraj, will you please tell us more about the secret tunnel? First secret is that there is a secret underground tunnel leading to Jagar Fort. This smart idea was used by the royals when under attack. Whenever enemies attacked, the royal family quickly went to the tunnel to escape to another fort. This tunnel is more than just a 7-kilometer long room. It's a warrior that has saved the lives of many kings. Do you know where the tunnel starts from? A garden which secretly connects into ventilation system. Did you know where ventilation system is built?
Yes, you guessed right, in the Sheesh Mahal. Now, Kabir and Bryce, may you please tell us about the Sheesh Mahal?
Did you know that in the Amber Fort, instead of AC and fans, they had a room made for air ventilation? When you look out the window, you see a beautiful Kesar garden. You can even cool yourself and look at the clear view below you. In this room, there are multiple windows for the cooling of many people. These are the reasons why air ventilation is really useful. Did you know the Amer Fort is surrounded by a wall which is more than 12 kilometers long? Now, Aryan and Adit will tell us more about the walls that surround Amer Fort.
The third secret of the Amber Fort is that there are all walls covering the fort so that the king and the queens are always safe and protected from being attacked in case of war. The wall is 12 kilometers long and they were made of red and pink sandstone.
The secret tunnel was going under the walls so that when they come or something get inside, the king could be protected. In case in any war, the walls break, the soldier will come out on their horses. They will protect the king by their katanas, swords and bows.
Did you know an interesting fact about the Amer Fort? Well, I'll tell you one. It's more than 200 years old. So now, my good friend Aryan Agarwal will tell you about the history and structure of the Amer Fort.
The Amer Fort was built by Sawai Man Singh. Over many centuries, Amer was very overcrowded and had water scarcity, which was a major problem. In the early 18th century, Maharana Sawai Jai Singh II became the ruler of Amer and built a new capital. Jai Singh II selected a plain surface and was covered by hills on two sides. Sai Jai Singh liked the idea for a new capital. In 733, Jaipur officially replaced Amer as the new capital of the. In 1734, Sawai Jai Singh II completed the construction of the Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, which has the largest stone sundial in the world. In 1744, Sawai Jai Singh II died. In 1799, the Hawa Mahal was completed by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh. In 1876, the king of Jaipur painted the city pink because Prince Albert visited Jaipur. In 1956, Jaipur became the capital of Rajasthan. The Amer Fort is primarily made of sandstone and marble and has a secret passage which connects it to the Jagar Fort. In 1991 to 2011, Jaipur's population doubled.
That is amazing information presented by our classmates.
That is why we recommend you to go to Amer Fort to explore secrets and have fun.
Thank you for listening to our Deadly podcast.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.